Hi, welcome to Inner Transformation. You all know life is very unpredictable. We don't know what is going to happen in the very next moment. Let me share a very life changing incident from my life. This is a story which I often share in my workshops. This is the story of my very talented friend. He was an expert in computer networking and softwares. Whenever I had any problem related to my laptop or computer or networking or printer setting, I always used to go to him and I always used to get a solution. Well, one day he left from his office at 6 in the evening but never reached home. Late in the evening, even I received a call from his family if he was with me, which obviously he was not. Even I got worried. A police complaint was lodged in the evening, late in the midnight, and finally, after 2 days, we got him. He was in a very small hospital in a very critical stage with head injuries, and he was in coma. Immediately, he was shifted to Safdarjung Hospital in Delhi, where after battling with his life and with his injuries for nearly 6 to 7 days, he succumbed. Yeah, we lost him. I thought, such a talented guy. He was a genius in his work. Was no more. That was really an eye-opener for me. It was a very tough incident and a very tough lessons which I got from it. I thought, what if the very next moment I am no more? What about all what I have learned in this life, all my life experiences and everything what I have, knowledge I have gained, the learnings I have learned from my mistakes, my wrong decisions and my failures? All will be waste, of no use. So I thought, why not to share all this with everyone, and even if when one person can gain from my knowledge, my experiences, if I can add value to even in one person's life, it would be worth sharing. Hi, this is Sumit Sood, your life balancing coach. I am an author, public speaker and a meditation expert by passion. I'm an entrepreneur and a businessman by profession. Today, I wish to share my experience on arguments. I believe that one should always avoid arguments. Yes, you heard it correctly. One should always avoid arguments. Earlier, it was never like this with me. I used to study a lot and used to keep myself updated, and I developed a bad habit of arguing on anything. I used to argue with everyone on any topic just for the sake of arguing. I just wanted to win. So it was about anything, any place, anybody, with just a motive that I wanted to win the argument. Now the result, I started losing my friends. I started losing my relatives. But I learned my mistake quickly, and I realized that you can never win an argument. Yes, 100% you can never win an argument, because if you lose it, you lose it. But even if you win it, you still lose it. You are a loser 100%, because you can never win an argument in real terms. Because even if you win the argument, you will feel good about it, but knowingly and unknowingly you have hurt the other person, you have hurt his pride, you have made him feel inferior. Yes, you have hurt his feeling, and most of the time you are going to lose your relationship with him, or your relationship are never going to be the same like they were earlier before. And believe me, the other person will never take your logics and he will never agree with you. So it is always better to avoid arguments. Instead, be a good listener. You know, when you're speaking which you already know. Whatever you're speaking, you already know. Yes, but when you're listening, you may learn so many new things. And while listening, always try to wear the shoes of the other person and try to understand his viewpoint and try to understand his feelings genuinely. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please share your views and thoughts in the comment section below, and please share that what is your take on this topic, arguments. इस बात पे मुझे कबीर का दोहा याद आता है, बुरा जो देखन मैं चला, बुरा न मिलया कोई, जो दिल खोजो आपनो, मुझसे बुरा न कोई. Yes, so true it is. Because when I see inside me, I see there are a lot of things, thousands of things which I need to correct. Yes, I want to be a better person. My competition is always with me. Yeah, it's always with me, because every day I have to become a better version from what I was yesterday. Right. You know, I've made so many mistakes in my life. I've taken so many wrong decisions in my life. Even if you can call me a mistake making machine, it's totally correct. But over a period of time, I also learn the habit of learning from my mistakes and learn my lessons quickly. Yes. Friends, I would be sharing a lot on my life experiences and my learnings from my past mistakes, my wrong decisions and my failures on my YouTube channel, Inner Transformation. I will also be interviewing a lot of people on different topics to learn more about from their experiences about how to lead a happy and balanced life. I promise that whatever I am going to share on my channel will come straight from my heart. If all this makes sense to you, if you feel connected with all this, please subscribe to my channel and support me. I believe in living a happy and balanced life. I believe that you are perfectly healthy when you are healthy physically, emotionally, mentally and spiritually. Join me in this journey of life to lead a happy and healthy and balanced life where we will learn and grow together. Thank you so much for watching. फिर मिलेंगे. This is your life balancing coach Sumit Sood signing off. Thank you.